Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to update Roblox on PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now normally, to update Roblox, as you can see, we're here logged into my Roblox account. What you're going to want to do is of course log into your account, and if you actually go ahead, load up any experience. So you want to click onto any of these experiences. When you go ahead and click the green play button, what it's going to do is start the Roblox launcher. And by default, it should automatically update. Now, if you tried that and you're getting an error message saying that basically you still need to update Roblox or something like that, what you're going to need to get around this is just fully uninstall and reinstall Roblox onto your PC. Now, to do that, what you're going to want to do is come back to your desktop, and from desktop, you want to come down the bottom left-hand corner. In the search box, you want to go ahead and type Add or Remove Programs. So underneath this match, you should now see Add or Remove Programs. So give this a click to open it up. Then what you can do is use the search box here and just go ahead, search for Roblox. Now at this point, you need to uninstall all instances of Roblox. So if you have like the Roblox Studio as well, you want to make sure that's all uninstalled from here. So any instances of the Roblox player, you want to just uninstall, and again, the same for Roblox Studio. Now, once you've fully uninstalled Roblox, what you're going to want to do next is come back your desktop, and this time, you want to come down to your search box in the bottom left-hand corner and type Run. Now, underneath Best Match, what you want to do is open up the Run app, and that's going to bring up a window like this. And into here, you want to type Following, which is a percent symbol. Then you want to type local app data, then another percent symbol, and then press enter. Now what it's going to do is open up a window like this, and on here you want to locate the Roblox folder. So if you actually scroll down, see now for better order, you can see the Roblox folder here. Make sure to delete this folder also before reinstalling Roblox onto your PC. But once that folder has been deleted, what you can then do is close this down. Open up a new internet browser, and you want to come across to roblox.com/download. Now, once you've done that, this is going to take you directly to the download page, and what you can then do is go ahead and download Roblox. You can also do this by coming across to roblox.com and, of course, launching any experience on Roblox. Once you go ahead and click onto Experience and click onto the green play button, what it's going to do is actually re-download and install the Roblox player onto your PC. So it's going to give you the option here to download and install Roblox. So all you want to do is run the new setup program and reinstall Roblox onto your PC. Now once that's done by default, it's going to install the latest version of Roblox with all available updates, and this will fully update Roblox to the latest version. So that's basically how you can update Roblox on PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.